Hello and welcome. Today we will show you how to unpack and get started with Havells' path-breaking new Sprint series of mixer grinders. With features that are usually the next step in mixing and grinding, Sprint mixer grinders are meant to make your life easy. Find a base to place the product package and you can get started with the unpacking. All it needs is a pair of scissors or a letter cutter and you can just cut through the taping on the box seams. And it's finally time to have a look inside. Inside the box, the first thing you will find is the user manual. It details all the basic precautions and instructions you must bear in mind to make the best use of your Sprint mixer grinder. Next come the 3 hygienic stainless steel jars that are included with the mixer. These jars are made from high-grade stainless steel, making them tough and durable. And below that, you will find your brand new Sprint mixer grinder. Carefully remove the protective packaging and have a look at your smooth new acquisition for your kitchen. The first thing you will notice about the Sprint mixer grinder is its unique and innovative bell-shaped design, specially meant to save you space in an overcrowded kitchen. Operating the Sprint mixer grinder is further made easy by its specially designed dome, which lets you use it hands-free. Now you can just lock it in and let it go. Even the grinding blades are a cut above, fabricated out of the special SS304 stainless steel, making your Sprint mixer grinder even more reliable. The jars also have specially designed flow breakers which ensure smoother and faster grinding. The Sprint also has a pulse function for convenient working during operations like ice crushing, blending, etc. Included also is a 400 ml chutney jar, which is perfect for those times when you feel like combining your food with your favorite homemade chutneys and dips. Make sure your hands are on the jar lid while your chutney is being prepared. Also included is a 1 liter grinding jar with both wet and dry grinding facilities. Perfectly designed for hands-free operation, thus facilitating grinding your ingredients to paste or powder with minimum fuss. There is also a 1.5 liter blending jar ideal for hands-free operation, letting you whip up milkshakes and drinks in a jiffy. The Sprint mixer grinder operates on a 600-watt heavy-duty electrical motor and is equipped with a standard 6-ampere 3-pin plug top. The Sprint mixer grinder also has an overload protector switch which prevents any surges of power to make handling the Sprint mixer grinder a completely safe task. Now the 600-watt version also has an innovative ultra-secure locking system included in the grinding and liquidizing jar. Now that's because Havells believes in better safety always. Customer satisfaction too is high on the list of Havells priorities. Which is why, apart from offering class-leading technology, Havells also offers a 2-year warranty on the mixer and a 5-year warranty on the motor. Sprint mixer grinder will change the way you feel in the kitchen, helping you be what you want to be with its versatility and smart features.